In the newer versions of Excel, so from Excel 2016 onwards, the PowerQuery, or now as it's known, Get and Transform, is integrated into the ribbon. So you'll actually find it under Data, and there's a whole section here called Get and Transform Data. And this is where you will be able to access Get and Transform from. At the time of recording though, Get and Transform is going through a lot of updates. So it's not going to always look exactly like this. And if you have an older version of Excel, so over here we've got Excel 2010, you'll see that in this case there's actually a separate ribbon called PowerQuery. And there's a whole bunch of buttons here. Through the course you'll learn what each one does, but where it sits will depend on what version you have and what update you have. So just keep in mind that for the most part you may have to look around and just see how the buttons have changed. So you'll see here it's called Get Data. In 2010 we've got things like From Table, etc. So these buttons are not yet completely consistent.